Hey everyone, in this video I'll be doing my at-home microneedling and I'll be trying out a new product. So RadianceLift sent me their serum, which is their brightening serum. So it's in this vial. So this vial contain 3 ml and this product is made in Korea. And also the product comes with microneedling roller and also a saline solution. But in this video I will not use the roller. I will use my Banish micro stamp for my microneedling procedure. And this is how my skin looks, so don't mind the redness on my cheeks. I just remove some blackheads and whiteheads, and I also exfoliate my skin before the procedure. And I also cover the one active pimple on my chin just to make sure that I will not go over it. Alright, so I already disinfected the micro stamp tool, so I will now cleanse my face using the saline solution. So based on the instructions, we need to cleanse our face using the solution 3 times. Alright, so this is my second time cleansing my face using the saline solution. And of course, the third time. Alright, so here I will now open the serum or the vial and I will use a cotton buds or swab to apply the product because we need to apply the product on our skin while doing the microneedling procedure. Yeah, and also based on the instructions, I need to, roll the roller 10 times on my skin. But since I am using the Banish micro stamp or Banisher 2.0, I will just still gonna stick with pressing the stamp on my skin 5 times. Alright, and about the product, so it contains niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, hyaluronic acid, and kiwi fruit extract to provide whitening, brightening, blemish reduction, and hydration effects on our skin. And also this is the perfect timing to try this product because I still don't have my stocks for my Banish aftercare products for my microneedling procedure, and I still have those hyperpigmentation from my previous TCA cross treatment and TCA chemical peel. Because based on their claims, after the treatment or the procedure, you will see a result in each day, and each use of the product is good for 2 to 3 months. So I will give an update next week or after 7 days to really see if there will be a difference on my skin, especially for my hyperpigmentation. So I will show my before and after pictures for my results for us to, compare. And by the way, it also says here that I may wash my face normally after 18 hours, and I can also use my normal skincare after that. So this is how my skin looks. I just finished the rest off cam, and I will just apply the remaining serum or products all over my face. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.